CAMWorks 2020 Technology Database User Interface has been improved. We can now manipulate how the data is shown in any table in the database. Here I will go to Mill Tooling and select on the list of flat end mills. Here I can drag and resize the column width. I can also double-click up here to automatically set the column width based on the length of text in the cells below. Columns can be relocated by dragging and dropping the column headers. We can also hide columns of data we don't want to see. I can show the filter, which allows for easier searching. These modifications are saved for this table. If I go to another area in the technology database, I can come back to this table and things will stay the same. Here I will go to my list of ball end mills and hide some columns. When I come back to the flat end mills table, the filters and column visibility settings are still applied to this table. I can return to the default view and show the hidden columns by selecting Reset Columns. I can also clear the filters here. These user interface improvements apply to all tables in the technology database. If I go to Mill, Features and Operations, for example, the same filter and column visibility tools are available.